Good morning, it's Vlogmas. It's December. I'm so excited. It is 6:52. I was gonna say I'm awake for the day and I'm gonna have time to get things done because Saskia's still sleeping, but she's literally just woke up. So yeah, she's sat up. I think it's gonna be time to get her up. Maybe give her breakfast, have a little play, and then we are going to Ikea today. I'm so excited, it's the 1st of December. She's gone back to sleep. Good. Mama can get up, have a cup of coffee, and get things done. I'm gonna make some coffee. I know I said I was gonna make some coffee in the last clip, but it's been about an hour and a half. I have been editing a little Winchester Christmas market vlog, so now it's time for coffee. And Saskia is still sleeping, meet them light. I'm quite surprised. She did actually go to bed early last night, so I thought she was going to be up super early, and when she woke up before 7 o'clock, I thought that was it. But she went back to sleep. This is the coffee I am using. It is very yummy. I have to say it's probably my favourite so far. All day Americano. Let's get some of that. Yeah, so we're off to Ikea today. Gonna see some, well, I'm gonna see Nicola, obviously. Also gonna see Michael, who I used to work with. But Ikea, because who doesn't love Ikea? I'm gonna make some coffee now. One coffee. I'm hoping we're gonna have time to put the Christmas tree up today because I'm so excited. I feel like I just wait all year waiting to put it up, and I'm sad when it comes down. I'm just waiting to put it up again. And the whole time I've lived with Dan, we've always put it up early, like November early. And this year we haven't, and I don't like it. So I'm hoping it's the 1st of December today. I'm in such a good mood because it's December. And I just want to put the Christmas tree up, see how long Saskia leaves it intact for. It's all part of the fun though, right? Has anyone got their Christmas tree up already? Did they put it up in November? I'm jealous if you did. My husband is a bit of a Scrooge this year. I don't get it. How can anyone be a Scrooge? Anyway, I'm going to go drink my coffee. Then I'm going to try and get ready before Saskia wakes up. This could be a new record. She's awake. I've done my makeup at least. Good morning. Good morning. You slept for so long. Hi. Mama got her makeup done. Didn't get changed, but that's okay. How are you today? How are you? We're going to Ikea with Nicola and Michael. Look at your hair. You ready to get up? Yeah. You ready to get up? You staring at the camera? What are you gonna wear today, baby? What are you gonna wear? Change your nappy. Change your nappy. Good morning. Get you out your sleeping bag. How are you today? Good morning. You are, look, you're my squeezy. My squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. She's ready. She's ready for the day. Mama just has to get changed now. Yeah. That's what we gotta do. You gonna sit there? So, Saskia, what are you wearing? She's wearing a lovely dress with a top, long sleeve top underneath. She doesn't normally wear red tights, but her cream ones are in the wash. Red's more festive, right? Right? Oh no! Both all ready to go. I finished editing the Winchester vlog. I don't think I'm gonna get time to get it up because Nicola and Michael are on their way. So yeah, Saskia is ready to go. If you can't tell. Where you going? You just getting in your car seat? She's been cooking breakfast. We're excited to go. We're gonna listen to Christmas music on the way there. We are. You're hopefully gonna have a snooze. Yes, but anyway. Oh, they're just pulling on the drive. We're at Ikea! Yeah! Oh, that wasn't a green man. The light turned red and we just win.
Michael looked perfect, okay.
She looks so unimpressed with Ikea. There's a panda mountain. It's Christmas! Christmas! What are you doing to my child?
This one's not bad. I like this one. What do you think? Want to get in one? Want to get in one?
Oh, it does zoom. Hey, baby.
Remember her butt and my butt.
Do you like that one? You testing chairs?
What about the one that Mama likes? Should we find the one that Mama likes? Ready? Alley up. Just gonna put her in it though, you ready? Let go of my hair now.
Baby!
Right, I should
Look
put
at
maybe there.
you! Is that your chair? You look like you own that chair. Look at you. Oh, bye then. Dad. Oh! Like, nope. Hey. Hey. You're not smiling now. We're not smiling now.
We like you. Yeah.
You got a chair to match Mama's.
It's the perfect size for it.
Oh, you are so darn cute. She's not trying to get out. Oh, never mind. She's not trying to get out of that
She
one.
wasn't until then. No, I sat down.
Baby. Nicola has a chair. Baby has a chair. Michael has a sofa. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look, and you can have a little house thing.
It's cute,
Yeah.
isn't it? Look at a little IKEA sofa.
Look at this guy. This guy in my life. Look at him.
He's very cute.
I don't know. I didn't pick him up. No. What are you doing? Children. Look at Saskia, like, what are you doing? Oh, while their guard was down, that wasn't good. Look. Oh, she's not bothered now. Ooh, got you. Colouring in her face. Oh my god. He just went whizzing past. Now be careful, look. There's a... Oh my goodness. Where's Saskia? Where are you? Can I come in your house? Look. Hi. Hello. Oh.
I made her jump.
Can I come in your house? Yeah, you're sleeping. Boo! Go on in. gonna crawl to Mama. Come on.
Go get her. Go get her.
Hi. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby. Oh. Daddy would like that. Daddy would like that. Yeah. She's claimed it.
That one. You want that one?
Come on. I said Daddy would like that and she got it. What's that?
Don't they like children's drawings come to life? Yeah. Designed by kids. There's a rainbow.
She's getting this. Plenty of headroom. Plenty. Where's the train? There isn't even a train, it's just a truck. Oh. Bye. What are you doing?
Come on then, let's go. Let's go.
Bye.
Yes.
Bye.
Let's go.
We're having lunch now. We're having lunch now. What are you eating? Look at you crunching away. Munch, 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 munch. What do you think of Ikea? What do you think of Ikea? Like, I don't care. I'm eating my food. Dad, don't watch out. Scary. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go.
She's upset on camera.
You're just changing your nappy. And then I just wanted to show this feeding bit they have. We're home and it's night time. You've had your food and you're getting ready for bed, huh? Yeah, look at all your toys. Go tidy up. Daddy's putting Saskia to bed. I'm lying down. It is freezing, I think. Don't actually know what the temperature is. But yeah, I've just completely lost track of time tonight. We FaceTimed with Daniel's parents for over an hour or something, and then I gave Saskia a dinner. She played with her for a while, and now she's having a bath and Daddy's putting her to bed. We're trying to give her milk before her bath now, just so she gets used to not having it just before she goes to sleep. So we can see how that goes. I'm just trying to see what the temperature is, but I was on settings for some reason. Apparently it's 4 degrees. I think it's colder than that. Yeah, oh, it's gonna go down to 3. Feels colder than that. Yeah, but after Ikea, we went to Curry's and I wanted to look at the Google Pixel 2 phone because I'm due for an upgrade in January. But I don't think an iPhone is gonna meet my needs when I upgrade. So I'm not sure. I feel bad. I didn't think I would get anything else other than an iPhone. But I like the Google Pixel and it's better for what I need it for. So I just need to decide what colour, I think. I don't know. I wouldn't normally get a black phone. The other one is white, but it's not all white on the back. It's got black on the top. And then blue, it's called Kind Blue. So I want to see what kind of blue it is, what shade of blue it is. If it's a nice pastel blue, I might like it. But yeah, that's what we're up to at the minute. I'm gonna tidy all of her toys away and then I'm gonna make a nice hot drink. I just filmed a whole clip and realised somehow I zoomed in halfway through, so all you could see was like right in my face. It was just I don't even know how I did it. I didn't realise I did it, but I just zoomed in. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm gonna upload a Winchester vlog just for something to celebrate the 1st of December, and then probably gonna edit this after that, later on at least. I've got a couple of things to do first. Tomorrow is the gym, bright and early, up at 6:15. I'm excited though. I'll show you what Saskia picked up from Ikea. First thing is this little bed, and it's actually designed by an 8-year-old girl called Sophia. I didn't see what it was for. I'm guessing it was for some sort of charity, but I think that's so nice, and it was only £1. And then something else she picked up was this husky. She loved it. I was on the phone to Daniel, and Nicola gave her it in the trolley, and she was sort of waving it around, looking at it, smiling at it, waving it around again. Then she sat it down next to her, and if anyone went near her to take it, she panicked and just started freaking out. So of course I had to get her it. She keeps doing this to me every time we go out. We came home with a Ranger the other day. Nicola ended up getting her a little doggy thing because that's something she loved. I need to stop, really. Anyway, I'm off to go and tidy up her toys. So that is it for the first day of Vlogmas. We didn't get to put the Christmas tree up. I'm hoping tomorrow morning after the gym and before we head out in the afternoon that we'll be able to. So I'm really hoping we can do that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.